Hello student, today we will solve a quadratic equation using formula. So here the quadratic equations 3x minus 18 is equal to 0. So here a will be 6 and b minus 3 and c is constants minus 18. We know the formula of quadratic equation x is equal minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by twice a. So let's put this value with this formula here. X is equal minus b, which is minus 3, plus minus under root b square, which is minus 3 whole square, minus 4a, which is 6, into c, which is minus 18, divided by 2 into a, which is 6. Here x minus minus plus 3 plus minus under root minus 3 whole square, which is 9, minus and minus plus this portions 4 into 6 24 and 18, 8 4 0 32, carry 3, 8 to the 16 3 19, into 1 4 4 1 2 2 2, 9 4 13 3, carry 1 1 2 3, carry 1 4, so 4 3 2 divided by 12. So here 3 plus minus these portions will be 4 4 1 divided by 1 2 is equal 3 plus minus this under root will be 21 divided by 12 is equal, we have to find x. Here two value is appear, one is 3 plus 21 divided by 12, another is 3 minus 21 divided by 12. See here 3 plus 21 24 divided by 12, this is 2. Here 3 minus 21 minus 18 but 12. Here 2 9 are 18 and 2 6 are this, 3 3 are 9 and 3 2 are this is equal 3 by 2. So hence the value of x will be 2 and 3 by 2.